Can I talk to you over here, sir? Okay. I need to talk to you over here.
I don't need to go over there. I'm not your picture. I'm right here, standing right here. Why do I have to go over there?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Okay, you watching, right? You watching. They're winning. They're winning. You fucking with me, motherfucker. They winning. I know you're throwing me hard, motherfucker. You fucking cop. All right, see?
Delta 43 Central, 1 to 10.
Police brutality.
Okay, you see? I got witness, motherfucker. Okay, they got you still for motherfucker.
Come right over here.
Oh, fuck you.
Hey, can you talk to my partner over there and just find out, help him out, please? He's pulling up right now. Quit pulling against me.
I got witness, motherfucker. I got witness.
Pull me against what?
Fuck you! Oh. Motherfucker, you break my... Okay. Oh,
92, I need
video.
you over here.
She's taking video. Good. All right. She's taking video.
Stop resisting, you understand?
I'm not resisting, motherfucker.
You are. When you pull against me, you shout at me, you're
No.
resisting.
They're taking videos right there.
Just comply with our orders, you understand?
Okay, but get me out of my knee because you break my leg, motherfucker. You break my leg.
92, God. Yes, we're good for you. Can cancel the channel. And I'm not here with them.
You got it, right? Still Melanie.
Roll on your side. Roll over.
Okay, they said.
Okay, that's
Oh,
fine.
they're recording.
And we're recording you too.
No, it's all right. You're done. You're fine. Those girls are my witness.
Okay, that's fine. Well, everything we got is recorded as well.
No, you guys scared me. I worship Satan. I don't give a fuck about you. I want to send demons to your house to fucking kill you.
Roll him on the other side. We're gonna roll it back over to the side?
No, I don't have no weapon. Don't worry. You break my fucking leg, motherfucker. He break my leg. He break my leg. He abused me. You got it, right? Tell Melanie. Tell my daughter. She goes to that school. All right. I got you.
Okay, we're gonna put him in my car.
I got you. Yeah, put him.
Here, let me the double lock.
Check my right
Here, let go.
From the fucking cuff. I'm gonna come out too because I worship Satan. So
Make sure the cuffs are good.
You got it? Give it to Melanie. Give it to
buddy, separate your hands for me so we can take the watch off.
Give that to Melanie, to my daughter. Juarez.
Are they good? Yeah.
All right. Tell them.
All right, we're gonna stand you up. Bring your knees in.
Tell them what you saw. What's your name?
No, bring your knees into your stomach. Into your stomach.
What's your name? I can't. You break my leg.
Your leg's not broken.
You break my leg.
Okay.
Ha,
we're gonna stand you up.
I can't get up, motherfucker. Fucking cop. I can't
go.
walk, motherfuckers. You break my leg.
Your leg's not broken.
Yes, motherfucker, you did.
You're kidding me. Come on, let's go.
You saw. I can't walk.
We'll just carry him. If you want to play, let's go.
Call the police.
Come on.
They break my leg. I can't walk, motherfucker.
Okay.
You break my leg.
Okay.
That's what I got. Oh, I hate fucking cops, man.
Yeah. Relax right here.
Yeah, fucking guy, you really abused me. You broke my. I want to go to the hospital.
Sure.
He broke my leg. Sure, motherfucker. I'm gonna see you someday, motherfucker.
Have a seat, sir.
I can't. You break my leg.
Take one more step here.
I can't. You broke my leg. I can't. You broke my leg. He broke my leg, this motherfucker. Oh, he's gonna get it. You're not gonna play that game, okay? I'm not playing games. He broke my leg. He broke my leg.
Stop shouting.
Take me to the hospital.
Relax, man. You're fine.
How can I be fine, motherfucker?
Have a seat in the vehicle.
You wasn't the one on the ground.
Have a seat in the vehicle.
Trying to, but you gotta pick me up because you broke my leg.
We'll help you. Let's go.
Okay, help me, motherfucker.
Let's go. There you go. Perfect. Now sit down. Now swing your legs in.
You can record everything, right?
We're recording everything. You have nothing to worry about.
No, I'm not worried. You're the one that's supposed to be worried, motherfucker.
Oh, I can assure you I'm not worried.
Kiss my ass, motherfucker.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
Alright, I'm gonna go find out. I'm gonna move my vehicle out of the roadway. Go talk to them. Yeah, I'm gonna go find out what's going on. Hey, never mind. You go ahead. Go. Okay.
They at least want a TPW because they don't have anything. He was just basically doing the same thing he was doing to you.
Okay.
Devil worshiper. Then he'll shoot up the mother effers and everything like that. So they said they at least want a TPW.
Disorderly?
But yeah, you can do disorderly too.
Okay.
So you want?
I'm gonna move my car.
Don't they give me a statement?
Yeah.
I'll have them sign that.
Okay.
Hey, that's my bike. Be sure you put it away.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
I'm gonna pull my car into there.
Here's my bike. My bike, motherfucker.
I see your bike.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, my God. I wish, my God. I'm going to see you again, my friend. You know those girls? You don't know who they are. Oh, my God. We got you, man. What do you think they're doing? They're going to make money out of your ass.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they are.
How are they gonna do that?
Oh, you will see. I'm not going to tell you. That's the secret.
Okay.
I worship Satan.
Okay. That's fantastic.
I know. It's not fantastic because you're a motherfucking gay. You know I got handcuffed. That's why you put me in the fucking ground. But if you would have done it without handcuffs, you would have seen.
Let's see what.
You don't know. I'm not going to tell what I'm saying. And Satan told me to tell you so much, but not enough.
Okay.
So, you know what we do? You know what Satan does when he sacrifices people, right? You want to know?
What?
You're going to find out.
Okay.
You're not going to be saying, okay, you're going to be mercy. You're going to be asking for mercy.
Sure. Okay.
See, you lose your temper there.
Oh, yeah?
And I did that on purpose.
Okay.
See? And nobody see what I did, but you did.
Okay.
Screw me, motherfucker.
I sure did.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, okay. Copy. Thank you.
And these people, too, they know I came out.
Actually,
I came out, they start yelling at me. It started just going. They're the one that starts going, so. And I got witnesses.
Copy. I'll head his way to take it over.
You don't
Thank
know
you.
that one.
What's your first name?
Ah, fuck you.
60 Central.
Kiss my ass.
What's your first name?
Ah, fuck you.
Okay.
Drivers report
Fuck
already
yourself.
took care of it. Lieutenant, in a minute.
What's your social?
Copy. Thank you, sir.
Listen, go fuck your mother, okay?
Alright,
Start asking
copy.
me fucking question, motherfucker. You already abused me.
Okay. Delta 43 Central.
43.
I have an adult man.
He
under
abused
arrest
me.
so
That
far.
motherfucker abused me. Ah, you scared, huh?
Okay.
Sorry, you can see why he's under arrest. I need somebody to respond with a rapid ID, please.